Hello, my name is Christopher Barkowskis, and this is a Tableau project for Principles of Financial Accounting. So as you can see right here, we have our dashboard pulled up, and our interactive dashboard, and there's 5 different sections on it. The first section is total sales by quarter and year. You can see how much money in the past 3 years through each quarter the cat manufacturing is made. The second one is the revenue by category. So right here you can see the 4 different categories that are presented, which is telecom, government, R&D, and other, medical, and materials processing. Right here is the top 10 customers and sales for cat manufacturing. And then in the bottom left here, let's see if I can move down here. Oh, nope. But in the bottom left here, you can see that this is a map of the world with different, where all the different revenues are generated. And then here's the sales by product line. So this is the different product lines and how much each one has made. So we're going to go into each different sheet here, and I'm going to show you what that has to do. So revenue by year, this is how much in 2021, how much revenue was generated. I mean by the 3 years, my bad. Here in the second sheet, this is the total amount of money it's been made. Right here, I already went over that. Sales by product line, already went over that. This is also just the top customer sales. This is the different sales of divisions. This goes with the division map. And then, yeah, so back here. So we were asked a few questions, which I'm going to go through and answer. The first question is, what were total sale revenues for the third quarter of 2020? That's super easy. You can just go right here to the hold on, let's see if I can get up here. For the total sales by quarter and year, you can just go and see that in the third quarter for 2020, $9,142,297 were made. For the second quarter, it asks what were the total sales revenues for the medical category in the second quarter of 2020. So that's super easy. I'm just going to click on the medical category right here, and then you can go to 2021. You can see that $2,246,190 were made. For the third quarter, I asked which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category. So right here, we're going to unclick the medical. It'll let me unclick that right there. We're going to go to materials processing. And you're going to go down to sales by product line right here, and you can see that Post YT had the most sales revenue with $7,726,298. So for the fourth question, it asks, what is the top product line for the Germany division in 2019? So what you're going to do here is you're going to click on 2019, and then you're going to click on Germany. And right here you can see that the top product line for Germany in 2019 was low YT, which made $4,209,871. The fifth question is, in 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category under the UK division? So what you're going to do here is you're going to click on unclick Germany in 2019, and you're going to go to 2020, and you're going to click on the telecom category. And then right here, you can see that in the third quarter oh, my bad. And then you have to go right here to the UK, sorry. And then right here, you can see in the third quarter that $125,634 were made, and it was the most out of all the quarters. So for the sixth question, it asks, who was cat manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? So what you can do is you unclick everything, and then you're going to go to you're going to click on 2020, and you click on the fourth quarter, and you can see that in the top customers in sales that the Boise company was the top customer with $223,234 spent. So for the second and last question, it asks who was the top customer for the Russia division in 2021. So right here, you're going to click on 2021, and you're going to click on Russia, and then you're going to go over to the top customers and sales. You can see that the Sacramento Incorporation spent $345,173. So the last question is, if I were on the top management team of cat manufacturing, what overall strategy questions could this dashboard help you address? This could definitely help you figure out in the trends of which countries are spending the most money, as well as which categories are making the most money, and also looking to see what product lines are the most beneficial to the company. So yeah, that is my video.